Today you will learn how to solve problems using ratios and rates. In your notebook, make sure that you are writing today's date, 4.4, solve problems using ratios and rates. Focus on question number 2. Out of 32 students in a class, 5 said they ride their bikes to school. So we are comparing the number of students to how many said they ride their bikes to school. So I'm going to write students as one information and bikers as the other information. So 32 students in the class, 5 of them are bikers. Based on these results, how many of the 800 students in the school, so 800, I am putting it in the students section, ride their bikes to school. So the last one in this case is my M, which is missing. Since M is missing, that is what I need to find. I'm going to do my usual method. 32 crosses and multiplies M to give you 32M, and 800 multiplies 5 to give you 4,000, equal sign in the middle. And my last step is I want to find M, so I have to get rid of 32. So I divide by 32 here and here. It has to be the same number on the bottom. Cancel these two and you get M equals, so 4,000 goes in the shelter. The top number always goes in the shelter, divided by 32. This will be 1, 32, 40 minus 32 is 8, bring the 0, and 32 goes into 8 2 times to give you 64. I need to take a borrowing here, so that'll be a 7 and a 10. 10 minus 4 is 6, 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring the last 0 down, and 32 times 5 is going to give me 160. So 125. Do not just give me 125. So the answer in this case is 125 bikers in a school of 800 students. Focus on question number 4. 24 extra large cans of soup will serve 96 people. So let's see. Cans of soup is one information and people is my second information. So 24 cans of soup is needed for 96 people. How many cans should Anne buy to serve 28 people? So 28 goes here because that is the people section. And this will be my M. Now I'm going to put an arrow because that is my M and that is what I need to find. So the usual method, 96 multiplies M to give you 96N, and 28 multiplies 24. So do your calculations on the side. 28 times 24, 8 times 4 is 32, 4 times 2 is 8, 9, 10, 11. This is done. So I'm going to put a happy 0. 8 times 2 is 16. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1, 5. Last step, add them. 2, 7, 6. So 96M equals 672. Now you want to find M. Get rid of the 96, which is multiplying, by dividing here and here. Cancel. You get M equals 672 goes in the shelter. You divide it by 96. 96 cannot go in a 6. 96 cannot go in a 67. And 96 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. So let's see. 96 times 7. Let's try 96 times 7. 7 times 6 is 42. 9 times 7 is 63. 63 plus 4, 67. So that'll be 7. 672. So that'll be 7. Don't just give me 7. Go back over here and refer what the M stands for. So 7 cans of soup is what is needed if you were to feed 28 people. Okay, question. how many minivans would pass the van if 60 vehicles passed her? So the two information that you're comparing in this case is the minivan and how many vehicles passed her. So this is the question. The information is given over here. So let's look at the table of information given. So 15 minivan. So 15 minivan is over here. That is one information I got. The total vehicles that you are crossing will be this. So 6, 10, 14, and 15. Add all of them together, which is going to give you 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 5, 15, and this is going to be 45. So 45 vehicles. Out of the 45 vehicles, 15 of them are going to be minivan. So how many minivans would pass the van if 60 vehicles passed her? So let's see. So if 60 vehicles passed her, how many of them would be minivan? That'll be my last M, the missing one. Put an arrow, that is what you're trying to find. Same method. 45 multiplies M to give you 45M, and 60 multiplies 15. So let's do that together. 15 times 60. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 1 is 6. 7, 8, 9. The last 0, I'm just going to bring it down to give you 900. Equal sign in the middle. You want to find M. 45. Get rid of it by dividing here and here. Cancel. You get M equals, so 900 goes in the shelter, dividing it by 45. 45 cannot go in a 9. 45 can go in a 90 two times. Bring the 0. 45 cannot go in a 0 times. So it's just going to be 20. Don't just give me the 20. Go back over here. M is minivan. So that means 20 minivans is what she is going to count if 60 vehicles cost her. Focus on the question, factories. So a factory produces 6 motorcycles in 9 hours. So the two information you're going to count is the motorcycle. Make sure that you're writing this down. And hours. So 6 motorcycle in 9 hours. Find how many hours it will take to produce 16 motorcycles. So motorcycle now becomes 16 instead of 6. I have to write this in the motorcycle section. The last one is my M, and that is what I need to find. So I'm putting an arrow. Now, same method. 6 multiplies M to give me 6M, and 16 multiplies 9. So 16 times 9. 9 times 6 is 54. 5 is a carryover. 9 times 1 is 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. To get 144. You want to find M, get rid of 6, dividing it by here and here. Cancel. M equals 144 goes in the shelter, divided by 6. 6 cannot go in a 1. This will be twice. 6 goes into a 24 4 times. 6 times 4 is 24. To give you 24, now go back over here. I need a word. So go back over here. M stands for the hours. So 24 hours. So 24 hours is what you need to make 16 motorcycles. Reading. Alejandro read 4 pages in a book in 6 minutes. So pages is one information and minutes is my other information. So 4 pages can be read in 6 minutes. How long would you expect him to read 6 pages? So I'm going to write the 6 pages in this pages section. My last one is M. Same method for M. M is this. So I'm going to put an arrow. That is what I need to find. And 6 multiplies 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Equal. You want to get M. Divide by 4. Divide by the same 4 on both the sides. Cancel. M equals 36 divided by 4 is 9. 9 times 4 gives you 36. 9, go back over here. So 9 minutes. So for Alejandro, it's going to take 9 minutes to finish up the 6 pages. Focus on Two slices of Dan's famous pizza have 230 calories. So the two information you're comparing in this case is slices and calories. So slices and calories. One tricky thing is the word slices has the number 2, but the number 2 is not written in the form of a number, but it is written as TWO. So you got to focus on these little key information given. Two slices have 230 calories. How many calories would you expect to be in 5 slices? 5 slices, so I'm going to write the 5 in the slices section. My last one is my M. Since this is my M, that is what I need to find. Which is what they are asking. How many calories? Which is what I need to find. Same method. 2 multiplies M to give you 2M. And 230 multiplies 5. So 230 times 5, 15, 11. So this is going to be 1150. Last step, get M, divide by 2 here and divide by 2 here. Cancel, M equals. So 1150 divided by 2. Top number goes in the shelter, bottom number outside. So this is going to be 5, 10, 1, bring the 5 down, 2 goes into 15 7 times, which is going to give you a 14. 1, bring the 0 down, 2 goes into a 10 5 times, which is an exact thing. So 575. Now go back and see what the M stands for. So 575 calories. So what it really means is 2 slices of pizza is going to have 230 calories and 5 slices of pizza is going to have 575 calories.